Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 3. He is a carpenter. SLOs of this lesson are: demonstrate use of pronouns as subject and object. I know you people are familiar with the pronouns. Pronouns are he, she, it, you, they, we. All these are pronouns. It replaces the noun. When we avoid the repetition of noun in a sentence, we use pronouns. Now look at here. Pronouns are words we use instead of a noun. We have both subject and object pronouns called personal pronouns. Look at here. Subject pronouns are I, she, he, you, it, they, we. Objects are me, her, him, you, it, them, us. Now let's discuss the subject and object first. What are these? Look at here. This sentence, I purchase a laptop. Here, I is a subject here. The doer of the action. Person doing activity. And subject usually comes in the sentence first. Here, you can see it's first here. Purchased is an activity, an action, and laptop is an object. Object, thing on which the activity is done. Subject is the doer or the person doing activity or the object on which the activity is done. Here, we will discuss the personal pronouns here from the object and subject point of view. How my teacher gave me another chance to answer the question correctly. Now, in this sentence, the subject is my here and the me is object, because answering the question correctly is an activity and it is going to apply or done on the object here, me. And who is applying, who is doing this action? The teacher, my teacher is doing on me here. Here, so the my is subject, the doer of the action, and me here on which the activity is done, and the activity is here answer the question correctly, and these are called personal pronouns here. Personal pronouns have both subject and the object. The doer of the action is subject and on which the activity is done is called object here. Look at the second example. Did you see the painting that I did for the art fair at our school? Here, always remember that you can be subject and object both, but it depends, it is coming first in the sentence or not. Yes, it is first in the sentence. It is as the subject in this sentence. Did you see the painting that I did for the art fair at our school? We have three object and subject here. You is the subject because it is first in the sentence, and here the I is a object on which the activity is done. And the activity is here, see the painting. And or is also an object where the activity is done at our school. So here in this sentence, you can see you is a subject, I is an object, and or is also an object here. Now look at the example number 3. My mother reminded us that we had not fed the bird early all day. So in this sentence, we have one subject here and two object here on which the activity is done. Activity is reminding us and fed the bird all day. Here, my mother, my is a subject here and us is an object and we is also an object here. So we have one subject and two object here. Subject वो होता है जो काम करता है और object वो होता है जिसपे काम किया जाता है या जिससे काम रिलेटेड होता है, जिसने काम करना होता है, जिसको काम आगे सब्जेक्ट जो है प्रेफर करता है कि आपने करना है. सो सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट का फर्क हमने समझ लिया. अब यहां पर प्रोनाउंस वो होते हैं जो नाउन की जगह यूज होते हैं, जिन हम रिपीटिशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ इट. ऑन पेज नंबर 32, personal pronouns. We have discussed the personal pronouns he, she, it, they, you, we, us, or. Now let's do the exercise. Choose the correct personal pronoun here. For each sentence, there are 4 options. You have to choose the right personal pronoun here. Here. Just read the sentence carefully and choose your option. Look at the first one. I am sitting on the sofa. What will be the right personal pronoun? She, am is sitting on the sofa. He, am, or I, or they. Yes, for the am, we always use I here. I am sitting on the sofa. Here the am present and refers to the present situation, to the simple present situation here, and they are used to describe the state or feeling or the condition that something or someone is in. So here I is in the sofa right now, sitting in the sofa right now. Here he is in this situation, and it is also a subject here. Personal pronoun, but it's a subject here. Now look at this one. The second one, the women gave sweets to the children, but they did not thank. What will be the right option here? Him, her, them, or us? Here the woman is subject here, and she is giving sweet. She gave sweets to the children. Now, for women, what personal pronouns we will use here? Yes, her. For women and girl, we use her for personal pronoun. Look at the third one. Are playing football. Here, are represent the plural pronouns here. There are many. So, we will choose they here. They are playing football. Look at the fourth one. The boys were late. So, the teacher scolded. Here, the boys are plural here. So, what we will choose? The boys are subject here. So, the object will be, yes, them here. The boys were late. So, the teacher scolded them. Look at the fifth one. Are from Lahore. Now this question is in question form. Is in question form. What will be the right answer? Yes, you, he, her, or she. Yes, you. Are you from Lahore? Because in this sentence it is directly asking, are you from Lahore? And with you, we always add are here. And for he and she, we always use is. If we ask question, is this boy from Lahore? Is she from Lahore? Like this. Look at the sixth one. Is a wonderful day today. It is telling you about a day, that it's a wonderful day. So we will choose it here. It is a wonderful day today. Look at the seventh one. He, she, I, or we are swimming in the pool. Here the R represents to, yes, what? I are, he are, she are, or we are. Yes, for with we also add are here. So the right answer will be we here. We are swimming in the pool. I want you to do the rest of the sentences by yourself. This is your homework from summer pack. This is also an activity here of subject pronoun and object pronoun on page number 17 from your summer pack. And this is your home task from textbook page number 27. This is your poem of unit number 3, A Carpenter. You have to give it a read to this page here, to this poem, and identify the personal pronoun in this poem here. Okay? I hope you can do this very easily. Thank you.